What is up, everyone? This is Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Discord setup.exe installation failing on your Windows 10, 8, or 7. So it works across all the Windows from 7 and up. Hopefully before that, I don't even know if Discord works on the prior Windows, but I'm going to kind of show you how to fix that. So a lot of times, usually errors like these, they end up happening because there's usually like a glitch or some software error that just occurred during the installation process because of something, either a previous file downloaded or something happening. So we're going to kind of show you like how to essentially remove those files and re-download them. So sometimes just deleting them is not enough from like uninstalling them, or especially if it never installed. You would think like, okay, I just can't install it. What's the issue? So the first thing is you might want to right click at the bottom and click on Task Manager. So if in here you have Discord open up, and you'll see it because of the installation, you want to go in and basically right click into the Discord that you see and essentially do end task. Any Discord option that you see there, just end up doing that. The next is we're going to open up a Windows folder or a file explorer, and in here we're going to go into this PC, and in here we're going to basically go from here. So we're going to click into local disk, and we're going to find your users, and we're going to go into the username that you have. So for me, this one. Now in here, you want to make sure on the view section you can view hidden items, because otherwise this is not going to work, because we are going to be going into app data. In here, there's something called local, and you're just going to like search for Discord, and you're going to find it right there. You're going to basically delete this folder. So you can just delete this folder, and then in roaming, you're going to same thing, find the folder, and same thing, just delete this folder. So these are like where the hidden spots, I would say, all the information is saved for Discord, or like it gets saved in the back end. You want to just kind of go from there and delete it from there. You can check program files as well. If you think you see it there, you're more than happy to kind of like jump into program files and kind of delete it from there. I don't think you'll find it there, because usually it's when it downloads, it ends up in program files. So for some reason, if it's there, obviously delete it, but if it's not there, you don't got to worry about it. I don't even see them there in general. Usually it is where I just mentioned in the local data and the roaming data, so you can just kind of delete it from those two sections, and then you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically what you got to do. Then re-download, so delete the exe file that you originally had as well. Just go back to Google, re-download Discord, and then install, and you should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button, helps a lot. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. And that Tutorials out.